Hello friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to you on Academy 123. Today we will discuss the ternary operator in C programming. What does it mean? It is just like a conditional operator. It is just a comparison between the two numbers and which is the greater and which is the less. This type of decision making we will take using this ternary operator. So let's start. First of all, I open my code block and I double click it. Just it is opening. And how to download and install, please visit my description box. Here the link is present and access this video step by step. Follow the steps and install and download this code block. It is the very simple, nothing, it is the equal to rocket science, so you can start. Okay, here create a new project. I am just creating it. Select the console, select the go, and here the next, and here select the C programming because we are programming in C, and next, and ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator, it is my project name, and just next and just finish. Okay, the processing is going on, and okay, and the resources, that is main.c file is present here, and double click it and you will find the some sample code. Just control plus and increase the size of code. Okay, and here you will find this is nothing but okay, and hello world, you can write here ternary operator. Okay, in C, yes, you can take it. Okay, and here I will take the ternary operator, and but before that I can take something special, and I am taking the integer a equal to, you can say just like 2, and comma, and b equal to 3, comma, and c is just by default, because in C we will store the result. What result we will get? Let's start. Here you will find you will write some code. C store the result. ABC, what is this? It is the variable, and type of this variable is integer, and it also may be float and double. Is the value fractional or higher values respectively, so that you can use it, but right now I am using the integer value, so I am using this thing. Okay, so C, you can say equal to inside the parenthesis you can write what? Condition A is less than B. If this condition is true, yes, this is most important line, friends. If this condition is true, then which will selected? Which one? A will be selected or B will be selected? So A full colon, B ending by semicolon. What does it mean, this line? It does mean A less than B. If this condition is true, then C will hold the value of A. It does mean this ternary operator symbol is question mark. It does mean when this condition is true, then A will return as a result and it will store in C. But this condition is false, then it will return the B, and this value of B is stored in C. That is the simple logic and nothing to do. And here you will print F, and what is the printf? Nothing but the simple, you can the less value or number, you can say the less number is what? Percentage D, you can see percentage D. It is just representing what? Your integer, and here you will take what? C is holding the result of that thing. Okay, then the printf, the less number is this. If this condition is true, it does mean A is less than B, then this condition is true, then first ternary operator will return the value of A, and A will be stored in C, and C will print here. Okay, and again I will copy it, the whole code, and replace it. Okay, and here I will take, if this condition is false, I can say like this. It does mean A greater than B. If this condition is true, then what will return? A. But if this condition is false, then it will return B. It does mean if this condition is false in this case, because A is less than and B is greater than, but here it will false, then it will not return A, it will return the B, and value of B will store in C, and finally we will print the C value. And I will write here the greater number is percentage d, and you can say that is the mean. If this condition is false, then it will return the second number. If this condition is true, then it will return the first number. Similarly here, this condition is true, then it will return first number as a value of this result, and whenever it is false, then it will return the second value as the result of this whole string. This is the main function of ternary operator. Okay, control S, and just go to the build, and here the building is going on. Here the something is, yes, printf, I have not put my semicolon, and here is also not put I have semicolon. Okay, control S, and again I rebuild it. Okay, there is nothing but, okay, error is solved, and I will run it. Okay, and what will the output just is coming in a few seconds on your, yes, here is the what, less number is 2 and greater number is 3, and the execution time is what, 4 seconds. Okay, and if you use here forward /n, that is new line, everyone will know that, and control S, and again we will rebuild it, and if we rebuild it, then the program is again rebuild, and now we will run this code. Yes, the less number is 2 and greater number is 3, and the hello ternary operator in C, then this is the program for that. Okay, and if any question and if any doubt, then just comment me, I will answer you as soon as possible. And if you really like it, then please like it and subscribe this channel, and if you want to support this channel, then please support us. Thank you, bye bye, we will meet soon again.